Hello and welcome to another session. Today's session going to be unable to going about the AWS Cognito. This service help to getting up authentication and authorization for your web applications. It takes care of sign up, sign in as well as integrating with identity providers. So you need and not any spend time on actually set up the authentication of your application. Instead, you can utilize the time to develop your application itself. So let's get started. So firstly, create a username server cognito. The parameter user AWS rest of attributes. Let's go through the setting and how to set a default values. First session contain the user attributes like what are you sign in option what you want you give the user. Either you can allow the user to sign in through the username or even the email address or even phone number, and just going to default option username now, and then you have enabled the case sensitive for the user input. So email to different consider unique. You can say select the attribute that you want to store the user, like name, address, first name, last name. So next step, your next section you get choose the password strength rules and choose if user can sign up themselves or only the admin can create the user, and the admin option can be confirmed application. If admin is creating the user, then you will create temporary password. That cognito lets you specify expiry date. So the password expire within 7 days here in this case. Okay. Then OPT enabling MFA authentication, and how to recover the user account when they lose their password. And also you can set up verification attributes which you want to user to use it in case they lost their password. During the first section, so acknowledge the proceed and create role, and choose the option and SMS text message. Next step, so the sign up the first time you will send the email the password. So for that, either use the default cognito option and set up SCS separately and use it here. You can even modify the email and structure. If you use default cognito, the limit of only 50 emails per day, so you can sign up more than 50 users if you choose that. It depend on you, on your particular project. The verification type is link. And next step, uh, next section you add the some optional tags for the user pool. This trigger your lambda function, DynamoDB, and so many trigger options. To the next step, create pool. Once created, then you create unique ID for each user pool, which will be used for in various places in order reference the user pool. So we have now, let's create a domain and set up a client. You have to select a domain where you want Cognito to host the UI. So it is either Amazon Cognito domain, and check availability. The domain is the domain name should be unique. So you Shukla server org. The domain is available. So save changes. App client, and app client name, server, the unique cognito. So create tokens for in order authentication and manage the user. This called the access token, and use them in your APIs for authentication purpose. Set the various expiration time for the refreshing and expiration time, and then you can skip the client secret generation as this is a public app. You can use it case private app if you have any specific award stands to meet, and you enable the disable the various auth flow you set up as per your application requirement. So in this case I'm going to select all the configuration, create app client, and go to the app client setting. And finally here we are app client setting. You have select all the identity providers that apply. In this case has just have Cognito User Pool. uh, Using YouTube, and paste on callback URL. So using allowed authentication code grant implicit grant, each has different way to passing the token. Authorization code grant passes the code, and then which he has to generate the token. And so applying all and save changes. You're using this. So this is the this is sign up page. Username and sign in. Okay. Uh, I already used this ID, so forget your password. Reset your password. Also, not problem. Using another email ID. Username Priya. Save this and send a new link. You can see mm, use this email ID and verification verify the email. Once again I send a new link. Verify your registration has been confirmed. So continue. Username Priya and password. You can see the open our YouTube for the Cognito, and also we see this. Refreshing our pool. You can see user email ID Priya Shukla DevOps @gmail.com is confirmed, and user one can using this Cognito. So server Cognito this can be created. You can see the server pool has been created successfully. So thank you for seeing the video. And as you know about the MoogleLab carry years of the knowledge and experience in the successfully applying advanced technology to wide variety of business issues around the globe. So we are proficient artificial intelligence as a service. Along with this, we offer multiple services such as a machine learning, blockchain, DevOps, and data science. So subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to get the notified every time we post here. So follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram also. Thank you.